can't give it up 2 times. Jerk can't give it up 3 times. Jerk, a jerk, a jerk, a jerk can't what? A jerk, a jerk, a jerk can't woo. Jerk, and we back up in this tea. It's your boy Jer, aka Jiraiya, and we back with another mukbang today. And I mean today, we are trying a local private chef in Tampa named Toon Cooking LLC. She's so fire, y'all. She's the sweetest button on this side of earth. She's so fire, and her food is even amazing. Today is Eggroll Wednesdays, and I'm trying her famous egg rolls. They're made like Soulfood egg rolls or Philly cheesesteak egg rolls. So today I got Philly cheesesteak egg rolls, New York strip egg rolls, and oxtail egg rolls. So we finna get into it, and we finna try it. You know, here go the Bev. Stupid. That's what. Well, here go your Bev. It's an orange charter today from Sunkist. Fire, we love Sunkist. Like Sunkist, so good. And we're gonna get that going right there. And then we finna get into these egg rolls. Y'all. I need the thummy. Where's my thummy? Oh my gosh, she got these sauces. Oh my god, I'm so excited. Y'all, look at these egg rolls. I had to take one. I get one of my mama. I didn't want to, but I did. So we need to get into those. Let me scoot this over. Okay, we're gonna get this thumbnail out the way. Go ahead and get y'all laughs and giggles in. Hold on. Okay, hold on. Oh, what's that? Oh, we gotta redo that now. Okay. Did y'all get it? Okay, boom. Sorry. Okay, boom. And she got like this sweet. Okay, I'm gonna leave my cat a corner lady. And this is like a sweet chili sauce, like her homemade sauce that like go with the egg rolls. Oh my god, I'm so excited to try. Hold on. I'm gonna try it. That's fire. Ooh, Toon. These on some wings? Oh yeah. And okay, so I think I wanna try I think I wanna go with this one. Oh my god, I wanna try this. And then, okay, these are the Philly cheesesteak. This is, I think this is either, I don't know if it's pot roast or New York strip. I think it may be pot roast. But it also got her crazy fried mac and rice in it, and I think cabbage. So we're gonna give this a shot. And how was y'all day today? Oh, get into it. Oh my god. OMG. Bro, you do no wrong. Like, how you did that? Oh my god, this sauce. Gas. Hold on. Oh my god. Just oxtail. Okay. Just the oxtail one. I just tasted that oxtail. Alright, oh yeah, that's oxtail. Bro. Like, who thinks of this? This is so... Y'all, this so good. I wish y'all could taste this. Y'all gonna have to get y'all own. This don't make no sense. Boom. Bro, you are raw. All hot. I ain't even talking to y'all. I'm so sorry. This don't make no sense. Oh my God. Mm. All right, man, I'm not gonna. It don't matter. Oh my God. Mm, mm. This lady do no wrong. And y'all, her soul food, she got soul food Sundays. Amazing. Amazing. All right, y'all, this is the Philly cheesesteak one. That bitch so gas, like. That bitch, oh my God, that look good. I know it's gonna be fine. And she used real steak. Quality. Quality. Yeah, her. Tune. Tune. Whoa. Tune. I don't care how I look. I'm just dripping. I don't care. Tune. That's out of bounds, babes. That's out of bounds, babes. Wow. Wow, wow, wow. That's out of bounds, babe. No exaggerate, that's the best Philly cheesesteak I've ever had. That's out of bounds. That's out of bounds. That flavor, I wish y'all could taste this. But y'all gonna have to get y'all own. I ain't sharing this. Mm-mm. Wow. Wow. So you raw. Wow. I'm so sorry. We got no napkin. Wow. You are unreal. I'm sorry, y'all. This, I might name this a review. This was no type of mukbang. Oh my God. You can literally taste the difference between freshly sliced steak and you use it as, what you call it, compared to like frozen steak. The difference is crazy. Oh my God. But they're so filling. I'm kind of full. But I got one more to try. And of course it's the biggest one. I should say that's for the cheesesteak for last. That bill is so good. Now, I don't know what meat this one got. It may be oxtail again. I don't know. I thought one of them was New York strip. I may be wrong. But it got her crazy fried mac, her candy yams, cabbage. That may be oxtail again. Which is good. Oh my God. Yeah, get a bite. Mmm. Mmm. I'm sorry. I'm all oiled up. With the yam. Oh my God. Mmm. 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 Bro. I don't know if that pot roast or oxtail. It was one of the two. It was good. My favorite still, that Philly cheesesteak though. I feel it. Yeah. That Philly cheesesteak out of bounds. I'm sorry. That's fine. Oh, this is like, damn, I don't even know. I can't even say this is a close second because that one in the middle will hit them. They're all good. But there's one true winner. That's what she stayed out of bounds. I'm sorry. That is okay. Y'all. I'm so full. I'm really so full. I might not even eat. I'm so full though. Oh, food good. The food good. Oh my God. Oh my God, I'm so full. It's gonna be called a review. I ain't get to talk to y'all, but what I will say, next video I want to do either like a, keep going somehow while I'm doing the whole video. Activate. Look, all in my video, just rude. Just rude. Hey! I'm talking about all in my damn video. But my next video I'm gonna either do like a Q&A or I'm gonna do like a story time. I'm gonna like give y'all a little bit all of me, cause y'all know the tale want to get all of my life. I know y'all do, but it's alright. I'm gonna let y'all in a little bit. So what y'all need y'all to do for the Q&A, I need y'all to go to my Instagram, follow it, or you can go down in the comments below. No, don't put in the comments. Go to my Instagram, DM me a bunch of questions. Tons of questions. I'm going to write them all down as much as I can. I'm going to try to make it to a video, but I can't make the video too long, so I'm going to pick like a, I think most people end up only being able to do like 10 or 15 before the video too dang long, so I'm going to pick like the top best 15, and I'm going to answer them. And then I'm going to start hitting y'all with a few story times, because I got stories for days. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. We're going to get personal, too. It's time to tell Jiraiya side of some of the stories. Yeah, all you whores and stuff that like betrayed me. The world needs to know Jiraiya side, because some of y'all been lying and I let y'all lie for a little too long. So it's my turn. Guess what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna do just that. But oh my God, too. I'm just eating at this point. I'm so full. But I love y'all. Like, comment, share, and subscribe. Share with a friend. Share, 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 share. Love y'all. Thank you so much for following me and supporting me on the journey. I love y'all to the moon and back. And this your boy Jer, signing out. Ooh.